Alright, quick thought experiment. I'm about to eat a bowl of rice with some chicken. It smells awesome. It'll give me energy to finish my day. But where did that energy actually start? Spoiler. The sun. Every bite is basically sunlight in disguise. Plants are the original chefs. They use sunlight to make sugar, stored in roots, stems, fruits, leaves. When I eat rice, I'm tapping into energy packed from sunlight. That handoff, sun to plant to me, is energy transfer. The simplest map, a food chain. Picture arrows, little energy highways. Sun, rice plant, me. Arrows point the direction energy moves. Producer, plants making food from sunlight. Everything else, consumers. Consumers eat plants. Consumers eat other animals. Herbivore, carnivore, predator, prey. Food chains, chart single trails. Real life, chart, food web. Let's hop to the African plains. Acacia tree, springbok cheetah. Grass termite, aardvark leopard. Those are just two lanes in a much bigger web. Trace, acacia, springbok, cheetah. Then grass, termite, aardvark, leopard. Some animals share food sources. Overlap turns chains into webs. If one path closes, energy flows another way. Here's where it gets tiny. Microorganisms, the quiet MVPs. They recycle the leftovers. Plants drop leaves. Animals finish their life cycles. Microbes break that down. They turn complex material into nutrients for plants. Microbes also help termites digest tough fibers. Microbes enrich soil so grass regrows. Microbes clean up waste so it doesn't pile up. No microbes, no reset button. The food web would slow to a crawl. Next time you eat, like Aaron with his chicken and rice, remember the route. Sunlight, plants, animals, and microbes reload nutrients at every stage. Chains show a path. Webs show the network. Microbes, current maintenance crew, keeping lanes open. Next episode, zoom in on microbes, where they fit in chains and webs, how they team up with plants and animals, and why tiny life has big jobs. Sun to plate to you, and back to the soil. Circle complete.